Hi students, have you ever thought challenges faced by the teacher while conducting online classes? So let's see the role of the teacher while conducting the online class. अल्लाह फीवर तो बहुत है लेकिन एक्सप्लेनेशन भी करना है.
Walaikum assalam. Today we are going to learn English. Now take out your English textbook. Poem name Strawberry. Strawberries that in garden grow are plump and juicy.
Your voice is not coming, miss.
Okay. Strawberry that in
Your voice
garden.
is not coming, miss.
Okay, dear, but you check in your side also.
Okay.
Let me check. Okay, now can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. But sweeter far has wise men know. Spring from the
Miss, when
woodland.
you will send PDF of this poem?
Yes, I will send it after explanation in group. No need for bowl or silver spoon. Sugar or
Page number?
page number 6. Sugar or spice or cream. Why so many children raising their hand in participation?
Miss, I want to ask, ma'am, you have not sent poem PDF.
I sent it already before. It's okay. I will send it again.
Okay.
No need for
Please?
no need. So much disturbance. I will mute all. Everybody, on your camera. Don't let me remind you again and again. No need for bowl and silver spoon, sugar or spice or cream. As well, okay. Time is running. Now we will continue in next lecture. Allah Hafiz.